There's the lookout right there. So we did a quick scramble there, and then I'm gonna show you the fire lookout. This hike, this trail is so easy. It's just a few hours from Calgary.
Girl, why you gotta act like that? I'm on the road, but I'm coming right back. You say I don't treat you like I used to, but I only ride for you. And I ain't always on my phone, yeah. And I know I piss you off, yeah. But baby, please don't leave, yeah. Cause you're just what I need. Hey, hey. Back it up one time, go and let loose. Girl, go and unwind. Be patient with me, I won't waste your time. And I know you wanna live in this life. We can do whatever, girl, you could be mine. Please talk to me, girl, give me a sign.
Hailstone lookout. Please do not distract the lookout person from their duties. There's another lookout right there. So, what are we having for lunch today? Baked sushi. We prepared big sushi. Woo. We also brought a banana, water, and some Gatorade for electrolytes. And thanks for my
second that this is it. Like there's something in the air that you just can't grip. Like the sun is beaming down, but
alcohol bacteria taste good.
Imagine for a second that this is it.
No, it's okay.
Well, let me tell you something, you know there'll never be a change. If you don't follow through, if you just play through, time to see that you gotta clear the way. This is the job for you, nobody else can do. There won't be a silver plate, no.
So we're having baked sushi. We have wraps with us. So how do you eat it? Delicious. What did you put in it?
Crab salad.
Cream cheese. Sticky rice. Instructions should be in the pocket. To tell me how to eat some baked sushi. Before we go here.
that you regret. Now it's something I've been different with one small step. You got all of your potential sitting on the shelf. You know you still remain the same when the clock strikes 12. Well, let me tell you something, you know there'll never be a change if you don't follow through, if you just play the fool. Time to see that you gotta clear the way. This is the job for you, nobody else can do. There won't be a silver platter, no magic rainbow to your pot of gold. There won't be a silver platter, no, no. The whole world's waiting on you. Like there's something in the air.
So there's still a little bit of ice patch. We're hiking. This is mid-June. There's still some snow. It's compact now. So when you look there, the lookout's just right there. So if you want, you can just scramble up, and then we went up there. Some people go around and walk through the ridge, but we did a shortcut. What did you say?
Mount Yamska. It was more difficult. Nakadto ka to, diba?
Yeah. Nakayon mas ka gani. So may chains?
Ha?
So may chains?
Oo.
Or haling? Yeah, syempre siya. There's the parking lot right there. That was a easy to moderate hike. It depends on your experience, skill level on hiking, but I think it's easy to moderate. Almost at the trailhead. The trailhead is actually just across the parking area.
doon siya to. What's the name of that mountain?
Hailstone Butte.
But
Butte.
Halibut.
Halibut. So that wraps up our hike for today. It's about a quick and moderate hike. I hope you enjoyed it. See you on the next one. Bye.
Yeah. I called you my girl. You used to be my temptation. Your light turned red now. You chose to change your direction. You found a new man.